Alright, here they go. There we go. And they're off.
Hey!
Hey, Alvin! Awesome. Okay, here's Alvin and Dad at the top of the slide. Big one, big kahuna. Okay, Alvin, do you want to hold the camera? We've already done this twice. Here, hold the camera. Look. Here, hold the camera. Okay, here we go. Ready, set, wait for it. Wait for it. Here we go. Whoa! And there's the dolphin. And there's Alvin and Dad. Oh! It's going down backwards today. Ah, there we go. Was that fun? Was that fun, Alvin? Okay, let's get out. All right. Here we go. Here we go. We got Gracie. Hi, Gracie. And Becky. And Alvin. And Drew. And whoa. Yeah, it'll be fun. And Emily. So Emily and Gracie. All right. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Here we go. Don't think about it. You just gotta go. Whoa, we got everybody here. Was that fun, Alvin?